Okay, so I'm going to push the battery all the way up to the front this time.
So it's nose heavy?
Nose heavy.
I don't know, it's going to be hard to see it when it's up in the air with this.
Why don't I have it? That trim is off over there. See that one going? Is it? I want that one down. Which one is it?
Hubby Zone Sport Cub S.
There. Right there. Make it turn. Turning right. Turning left. Mark these buttons.
Oh, maybe the battery?
Hold on. I'll figure this out. Oh, that's the wrong. You know what? I'm using the wrong button. I need to leave this one alone. The rest of it looks better on. You know? I'm thinking wrong, Trent. Alright, so the object is leave this stick alone and just use this stick.
Can't even see it.
real straight.
Good.
Oops, wrong button. Wrong stick.
That muscle memory. And teach yourself to use the right stick. Can't even see it.
Aha! Did you see that? I got it to come to me. You got to go out there and come back. I like that. I'll see if I can get it to go up. What was wrong with that? It took off.
I wasn't ready for that takeoff.
So I got film editor. Up. I started recording and you take it down. Why'd you do that?
I wasn't trying to.
Up. Push. Pull. More power. Turn it back this way. More power. Turn back towards you. Down. Push that stick forwards. Stick forwards. Less. No motor. Stop. The motor. Why is it still running then? Down. The stick forwards. Stick forward. Just stick forwards. No motor.
You know what? I'm bringing it down.
You got to use this stick to bring it up and down.
I was getting you here.
This
I was
takes it
trying
down.
to get
Well, you
used to
did
the
good.
throttle.
You did good. This,
I was trying to get used to the throttle.
but you still got to take it down when it gets higher. It's going to fly into the houses over there.
I don't know if you guys can see that or not.
Oh!
I don't even know if you can see that.
Let's see if you can do that. All right?
I wasn't even watching what you're doing. I was focused on trying to keep the...
I just flew it out here as far as I could, and then I ended up on the ground. So, fly it that way. And then don't go in that tree. This feels good. Give me some power. More. More. Up. This is your up button. That's pretty good. Hold on. Hold on. That's pretty good. I like that. But you need to figure out which is your up and down button. So show me up. Yep. Show me down. Yep, that's right. Okay. Give me just a little bit of up and power. Okay. Give me just a little bit up and power. Not even much up. Yeah, you're cutting that motor good. Boy, are you like a trick flyer or what? Bring it back over here if you can. Yeah, that way. Keep going that way. Power. Power. No, not that way. Power. Power. Down. Down, yeah, this way. Power. 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 Back that over there. Power. Power.
Uh-oh.
This way. Down it goes. All right, that's a good one.
That's the battery.
Motor off. Let it come down. Keep going that way. Motor off. Motor off. Down. Push the stick forwards. Push the stick forwards, please. No motor. That's the perfect height. Keep it down there. Motor down. Shoot. No, don't go over there. Down. Keep it down if you're going that way. Not down that much. You're working me too close to the ditch, man. No, stop. Huh? Okay. Right there. Down a little. Down a little. Okay. Go. Go. Power, power up, power. What happened to power? Does it got battery? You don't have to throw it. Just... Yeah, let it come down a little. Let it power off. Ooh, I like that. Putt, putt. Okay, power up. Power up! Power up! Power up! Power up! Turn back this way. Power down. Power down. Take it down. Too close to the tree. Okay, power up, power up. Oh man, that's so cool. Stalls easy, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does.
I love it flying right there. That's cool, man. That's cool, huh? I like that one. If you could fly it just right here close. Don't throw it. Make it take off by itself. Let's see. Don't throw it. Make it take off by itself. More. Had to throw it a little bit. Oh, that's a nose cone buster. Is the motor still on?
It looks like it might crack a little bit down here.
The motor's still good. Try it.
That's actually, I put it in on number 1.
Yeah.
I took it out of beginner.
Good.
Number 1.
Okay.
That is actually noticeably different.
Really? You get some controls that you needed? Oh! Be my guest. I think you got it. No, I want you to fly it. It's your plane, man. You're the one that got this. You're gonna have the one that's gonna have to grit your teeth through it. Yeah, you're gonna have to keep it up. You're gonna have to be pulling back on that stick.
I don't know, maybe I'm not ready to take it out of beginner yet.
Yeah, I don't know. Might straighten up them wheels. There you go.
Wait, which way's the... I'm going against the wind.
You want to take off against the wind?
I thought you wouldn't take off with the wind.
No. If you do, it'll fly right over the fence. You don't give it enough power, and you're trying to throw it. I mean, you got to throw it a little bit, but it's got to have enough power to fly. You're getting over there by the creek, man. See, if you get back in this little pocket right back in here, there's not much wind. Trees ain't even moving. Perfect. Right back in here. You get out there in that field, you're going to run in, you're going to be fighting wind out there. You better be walking that way when it gets out there or you're going to lose it. I mean like walking fast towards it.
I'll bring it back this way. Try and get it
And walking towards it at the same time if you're smart. Especially when you're getting that high in the air and won't turn the motor off, you're going to go over fences.
I got the motor off.
Yeah, I don't mind you being back there if you're close to the ground, but when you start going up in the air, I'm like, you're going to go over fences. Motor off.
I'm trying to bring it back this way.
Right, that's good, but you need to keep it close to the ground like you are now. Better to walk than to climb over fences. Remember what that one guy said? Don't let the plane get behind you. All right? That was a good flight.